Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 14, changes in our environment. In this video, I am going to explain you about the topic protecting our environment. Dear student, to protect our environment, we have to follow certain rules. And these rules are as follows. First, using more solar and wind energy. Wind energy will make us less dependent on fossil fuel. Fossil fuels. This will reduce the release of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Using public transport, like trains and buses. Instead of personal vehicle. To reduce air pollution. Third point, use LED lights. Instead, using mercury lights. Mercury light is to convert polluting gases into harmless gases. Fifth, waste material from houses, offices and factory. Factories should be treated properly before releasing the waste substances into water bodies. So dear student, these are the few points by which we can protect our environment. So let us see. Using more solar and wind energy will make us less dependent on fossil fuel. This will reduce the release of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, and this way by using solar and wind energy. Solar and wind energy are renewable source of energy and which do not cause pollution. But by using the fossil fuel, by burning the fossil fuel, lot of the polluted gases used to release and which can make the air impure or unfit. So we have to use more and more renewable source of energy like the solar energy, wind energy, air energy, water energy. These are the renewable source of energy which do not cause any type of pollution. Next point, using public transport. We should use maximum public transport in spite of using the personal vehicles. If you all use the personal vehicle, there will be maximum consumption of the fuels and lot of the pollutant gas or pollutant will be released which can cause air pollution or also different type of the pollution. So in spite of using the personal vehicle, we should use public transport to reduce pollution. Next, use of the LED light. In spite of the using the mercury light, we should use LED light because LED light used to consume less electricity, and as the consumption of the electricity will be reduced, the uses of the fossil fuel also will be reduced, and this way we can control pollution. Next is in factory and vehicles, a special type of the device should be installed, and this device is to convert the polluting gases into the harmless one. Dear student, you may have heard about the devices such as scrubber and electrostatic precipitator. These are the two devices which are installed in factory or the certain type of the car, vehicles, which can reduce the pollution. Next point, waste material released out or being given out from the home, offices, factory, treated properly so that before it is being released or being dumped in the natural source of the water or the other water body, it should be treated properly so that it do not cause any type of the side effect in the water or cause any harm to the living organism of the water body. So, we should treat the waste of the factory in the proper order so that it can become harmless, and even after the release to the source of water or to the other natural resource, it do not cause any type of the side effect. We should also make aware to the farmer about the using of the synthetic fertilizer and the pesticide, because overuse of synthetic fertilizer and pesticide also causes pollution. Soil pollution and water pollution is being caused due to the excessive use of synthetic fertilizer and pesticide. We should also grow more and more tree so that the carbon dioxide which is being released by the factory units and by burning the fossil fuel can be absorbed by the green plants. As you know, the green plant used to absorb carbon dioxide, and this way by growing more and more tree we can reduce pollution. So dear student, please you read the topic and learn all the points which we can or by which we can protect our environment. So thank you dear students.